Let's install this ceiling fan close to the ceiling or without a drop rod. First, turn off the power. A fan-rated electrical box is needed. This is the round Legrand wire mode fan-rated surface mount box, rated to hold a maximum of 50 pounds. It is mounted directly to the ceiling joist above. Here is the canopy. Remove the trim ring. Loosen the screws in the two J slots and remove the two other screws. Twist and remove the mounting bracket. Remove the bottom cover by pressing out the three plastic mounting studs. I ran into a slight problem with the mounting screw spacing on the electrical box. The spacing on typical fan-rated boxes is 3.5 inches, but the spacing on the Legrand box is only 3 3/16 of an inch. It placed one screw directly on the bracket mounting slot. To overcome this, I threaded on a washer and nylon lock nut. Backed it off until it was 3/8 of an inch below the mount face. Cut the excess off with a hacksaw and filed the end smooth. Pull out the wires from the box. Route the wires through the mounting bracket. Position the mounting bracket. Thread on and tighten the washer and nylon lock nut. The other lock nut was hidden in the mounting slot, so I used a pair of slip joint pliers to tighten it. Now to the fan motor. Remove the cardboard shipping pieces. Remove the red tag. And with a slotted screwdriver, tighten the down rod set screw. Remove 3 of the collar screws. Every other screw. Route the wires through the rubber gasket and align the gasket with the screws and screw holes. Grab the canopy and align the 3 notches with the 3 screws on the fan motor collar. Securely tighten the 3 screws. Slip on the trim ring. If you have a voltage tester, verify that there is no power in any of the wires. Instead of using the included wire nuts, I'll use these Wago connectors. Using the strip guide on the side of the Wago connector, strip the ground wires. Insert the wires into the connector and verify that the wires are fully inserted into the connector. Wrap the connector with electrical tape to secure the levers and cinch the wires together with a zip tie. While you're up on the ladder, strip the neutral and hot supply wires. Here are the remote and receiver. Insert the AAA batteries into the remote and verify that the dip switch codes are the same. If you have multiple fans, use a ballpoint pen or similar tool to change the dip switch codes. On the receiver, the brown wire is the antenna. The white, black, and blue wires with the connector are for the fan motor, and the white and black wires are hooked up to the house supply wires. Insert the receiver so that the white and black wire pairs are on the same side of the mounting bracket. Connect the wires white to white and black to black. Tuck the wires on the side of the mounting bracket. Now to hang the fan. Locate one of the holes at the rim of the canopy. The hole will be hooked onto the mounting bracket hook. Carefully lift and hook the fan motor canopy onto the mounting bracket hook. Connect the fan motor wire connectors. Tuck the wires into the canopy and around the mounting bracket. Next, the J-slots will be used to hang the fan motor from the mounting bracket. Unhook the fan, align the J-slots with the mounting screws, and rotate clockwise. Install the other two mounting screws. Securely tighten all 4 screws. Lift the trim ring and turn it counterclockwise to lock it in place. Now to install the 5 fan blades. Labels show which side to face up toward the ceiling. Insert the blade into the slot and securely tighten the 3 screws. Repeat for the remaining fan blades. Next, the light kit pan and light kit. Remove 1 screw from the black bracket and loosen the other 2 screws. Align the 2 slots on the light kit pan with the 2 loosened screws on the black bracket. Turn the pan clockwise. Insert the 3rd screw and tighten all 3 screws. Remove 1 silver screw from the light kit pan and loosen the other 2 screws. Connect the white wire from the light kit to the white wire from the fan. Connect the black wire from the light kit to the blue wire from the fan. Align the 2 light kit slots with the 2 loosened silver screws on the light kit pan. Turn clockwise. Insert the 3rd screw and tighten all 3 screws. Screw in 2 light bulbs. Insert the glass lens into the light kit pan and turn it clockwise to secure it in place. Turn on power. With the remote, test the operation of the fan and light.